The local police chief says he's not going to issue any more temporary pistol permits.
He says it's because he can't check people's mental health records, and he's even reached out to the governor for help. News 8's Josh Scheinblum got some answers for us tonight. He's live in New Haven, right here in our newsroom with what he found out. Josh?
And Darren, the chief of police in New Canaan tells me he thinks he's discovered a loophole in the state's pistol application process that may be putting people in danger.
And I think that there are going to be a lot of people who hear this story and they're going to ask themselves, why is New Canaan the only town that has an issue with this?
Right.
It seems like every other police department has been able to figure it out.
Right. Well, I don't know if they figured it out.
If you've recently tried to obtain a temporary pistol permit in New Canaan, you know it's not been an easy process. In fact, it's been impossible. That's because the town's police chief, Leon Krolikowski, has stopped issuing them altogether.
I've been involved in firearms my entire life. My major concern is I don't want to issue someone a permit that has a mental health issue that prohibits them from possessing a firearm.
The issue at hand, says Chief Krolikowski, is that local municipalities don't have the needed tools at their disposal to determine if someone is mentally competent to possess a handgun. Late last month, he even wrote a letter to the governor where he expressed concerns over not having access to the state's Department of Mental Health and Addiction Services database for those seeking a permit. However, not everyone shares the chief's worries. People like Ryan Warner, who owns a firearms training company.
I feel like the Department of Public Safety does everything to look into people's backgrounds. So for them to not issue, especially to people in New Canaan, I mean, a lot of my clients and a lot of the people that I teach and instruct are from New Canaan. So for them to not be issued permits, it's a violation of their rights.
Officials with the governor's office tell News 8 it's inaccurate to say Chief Krolikowski doesn't have access to mental health records because that information is made available through the state police, something Chief Krolikowski says members of the state police never told him.
I'm not aware of anyone until I got a call today from a chief upstate in Hartford who let me know that there is a protocol.
The chief estimates there are anywhere from 7 to 8 people awaiting to receive temporary permits in his community. And he says if he can get his mental health questions answered by state police, those temporary permits may be issued by as early as tomorrow. In the New Haven newsroom, Josh Scheinblum, News 8.